dies, and I will have them up here, but how many straws are you going to need? Raise your hand if you can tell me. How many straws are you going to need? They're going to be different from each other. How many are you going to need? Fazil, how many do you see?
One.
Okay, he says he sees one small straw in my instructions. Did he read carefully?
No.
Who read carefully and tell me how many? Look again, Basil. Grace.
3.
She sees 3. I see one small straw, one clear straw, and one red and white straw. How many do you see? 3. So you're going to get 3 different straws for your group. Not for every person in the group. Just for your group. You're going to build one instrument in your group of 3 kids, okay? You're going to need a triangle and you're going to need a rectangle. And I'm going to show you what these look like right now. Right here is the small straw. It's just one cut in half, that's all. One clear straw, you can see straight through. And one red and white straw. Okay? So, 3 different straws, a triangle and a rectangle. Some are green, some are brown, does not matter, they all work, okay? They're on some heavier cardstock paper so that they will last a little bit better. Step number 2 says slide the clear straw. Can you tell which is clear?
Yes.
You can see through. Slide the clear straw through the red and white straw's hole. Well, I've got 2 red and white straws, but can you see, those of you especially on the front row, do you see which one has a hole?
Yes.
It's a star poked right in the middle. A star. And all I'm going to do is take my straw and almost make a T. Okay? I'm just going to stick it straight through the hole. Then it's going to take a couple hands to help hold this together, okay? Mr. Dye has already taken scissors and cut your straw. And it makes 2 little flaps. You are going to fold back the clear straw's cut sides and tape them down. We have tape dispensers. You need just a little piece of tape to tape them right on there. Got it?
Yeah.
So you've got a T with some tape on the top to hold those 2 little flaps down. Any questions so far?
No.
All right, the next part says slide the triangle in one end of the red and white straw. This is the end of your T. Mr. Dye's already been so nice to cut for you. All you've got to do is slide in and it will stick. You got a rectangle, you're going to slide in and it's going to stick. What am I building? Wind vane. Well, I don't have it taped. You also, I will tell you this, if these tend to fall out, which they did not for me, if they do, you may put a little piece of tape on them to help hold them, but you shouldn't have to. We didn't use that short straw yet. Slide the triangle in one end, we got there, we taped. Use the small straw. Slide the weather vane inside as if it's a handle. This straw is bigger than the other one. It will fit right inside. You can stand it on. This is the part Mr. Dye did not put on the directions. You're going to stand it on the plate. We're not going to mount it. You're going to stand it. It will work. You each test it. Now, the problem will be is if you squeeze that straw, you are squeezing your weather vane and it can't turn. You just want to use it like a little handle and stand it there. Now, if I want to know which direction the wind is blowing, what can I draw on here? Tyler, what would you draw?
You can draw a compass.
Someone can be drawing a compass to put it down. Now, we're not outside with real wind. You're going to be the wind. So you can each test it when you are done and decide which way the wind is blowing. Okay? You're going to do this with 2nd graders next week. You are going to show them what you have built and let them figure out what direction the wind is blowing. Okay? I will even give you a fan with a motor to let you try it. All right? And I do have a real weather vane in the room to show you, which some of you saw it today during science time, a couple did not, but that's okay. So, the only thing I am missing is your paper plate and putting the compass to it. That will be up here for supplies as well. So, any questions? There is a bucket of crayons.